Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. Happy Friday, the weekend is here. Well, this is my weekend. So basically, I've got a month's free rent on this, which is basically starting from the 1st of this month just gone. So I've literally got 4 weeks to make this into a working space. The doors are getting made, they're getting started today. It wasn't just as simple as getting doors fitted and you're in. So outside, as you can see here, that's the level of the floor. So we're gonna have to get a ramp made to match that, which is more work, which concrete's gonna take some time to go off before we can actually drive a car. He's got to make the doors, so that's going into next week. Had Tom down here the other night. We're probably going to have all the tools along the back. We were potentially thinking about putting a ramp as you come in from here. Boom, have the ramp maybe on an angle. But obviously, we've got wood beams there. Let's see if that's not structural. So we could have it in the middle, but it'd make it awkward to get cars left and right. So we're maybe just going to have it as 2 stations, have the ramp on an angle there, so you can just drive on straight up, no manoeuvring, and then have that side for like detailing. And then obviously you could probably still get a car in and in the middle and just do a bit. Got to sort all this out. I'm going to start painting today. Big job, so I'm hoping some helping hands are going to appear in a bit, but I'm going to make a little start now. Just got to get on with it now. Like I say, I need to have this a semi workable space by the beginning of September. And even then, I've got a full-time job, so it's going to be, you know, weekends, evenings, stuff like that. So the pressure is on. Like, it's got a lot of potential, but as you can see, there's still a lot of work to do. So let's crack on with today's video. Dulux time. Right guys, there we go. I'm not even gonna show you my face. I'm just covered in paint. So we've made a start. It doesn't look amazing. This whole back wall, that's getting replaced. I've been told not to touch that. Just about got that gone. You know, they've had 2 coats. And we've just about made it along there. Missed that. Finish that section tomorrow. Just started, you know, clearing out workbenches. Thank you, Lewis, for building shelves. Got all this to go. All that is to go. It looks muckier than it did. I'm absolutely goosed. And thank you again, Mum and Dad, lending a hand. Harry, he's earned his pocket money today. Still probably gonna have to go higher with the paint. But today I just wanted to get these looking better, get them walls looking better. That's old like iron, steel at the bottom. Just masked off as best as I could. Thought I'd keep the beams brown. Tudor effect. What a day. Doesn't look like we've done much, but it feels like we have. So obviously, door there, painted. It doesn't look too bad. It's going to be a working space, but there we go, guys. Remember, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to go spend an hour in the bath and then get a nice, big, fat pizza. Take it easy, guys. See you later.